Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we have a very interesting topic of neural networks, so stay with us to the end and vote this up if you like this video and also subscribe to our channel. So let's begin. A neural network is a type of machine learning process that uses interconnected nodes or neurons in a layered structure that resembles the human brain. ANNs are modeled after the operation of neurons in the human brain and can be used to solve complex signal processing or pattern recognition problems. They consist of individual nodes, each with its linear regression model containing input data, weights, a bias, and an output. Passing data from one layer to the next defines the network as a feed-forward network. Learning neural networks requires a strong foundation in mathematics, statistics, and computer science. You can start by taking online courses or reading textbooks on the subject. Some popular online platforms for learning neural networks include Coursera, Udemy, and edX. Neural networks are critical because they allow machines to recognize patterns and make predictions based on data. They are used in a variety of applications, including computer vision, speech recognition, and medical diagnosis. ANNs can also improve decision-making in business and enhance network security. Neural networks are evolving rapidly in today's world, with advanced systems like deep learning becoming more common. These systems can process and analyze large amounts of complex data, leading to breakthroughs in fields like healthcare, finance, and transportation. Neural networks are also becoming more accessible to businesses of all sizes, thanks to cloud-based services and open-source libraries. Recent developments in neural networks include advancements in deep learning and reinforcement learning, which have led to breakthroughs in areas like natural language processing and autonomous systems. Other developments include using neural networks in cybersecurity and the development of more efficient algorithms for training neural networks. There are many careers in the field of neural networks, including data scientists, machine learning engineers, and AI researchers. These professionals work in a variety of industries, including healthcare, finance, and technology. With the growing importance of neural networks in today's world, demand for these jobs is expected to continue to rise. Neural networks are a powerful type of machine learning process that can be used to solve complex problems in a variety of industries. With advancements in deep learning and reinforcement learning, the potential for breakthroughs in fields like healthcare, finance, and transportation is increasing. As demand for neural network professionals continues to rise, it is an exciting time to be involved in this field. So that is it from today's video. Hope you liked it and understood what neural networks are. Everyone, keep learning and keep growing. I'll meet you soon with another topic soon. Until then, bye.